This video I will show you guys how you guys can see the Union Bank rewards for the Visa Platinum cards, and I will show you the exact rewards and all the details by the official website of the bank. So here you guys can see that right now I'm in the UnionBankFilipino.com, and once I swipe it down you will see that I'm discussing about the Union Bank rewards for the Visa Platinum card. So if I swipe it down, and you will see the card benefits right here, which is on fast earn 1 point for every 30 Filipinos spend anywhere including the online shopping and food delivery. No cap on the points earning. Get 3x points when you shop and dine here on the abroad. Use it anywhere. Use your points to redeem cash credits, merchandise, gadgets, and more. And there are a lot of product features as well. For example, the reach your call for the virtual shopping, and then Union Bank online application, and then the pay bill option. Auto charge your utility bills to your Union Bank credit card for monthly billing payment. And if I go to home, there's an option to see the Union Bank rewards for the Visa Platinum card. As you guys can see that I have opened it up over here in the next link. I'm just gonna zoom it in so you guys can see it properly. So it says that Union Bank reward card program, and all the dictionary, for example the words that they have used in this terms and condition page, and the context for those words. So if I swap it down, you will see that there is a general program mechanics. One, number A is eligibility. Obviously your card account is entitled to participate in the program at the date of commencement of the program or the date when the card is issued to you, whichever is later, provided that your card account is and remains in good credit standing as determined with the bank and its sole discretion. So issuance of the rewards point, you will receive points for the purchase of goods or services for personal consumption charged on your card while your card account is open and remains in good credit standing. You will earn points at the rate of 1 point of every P30 retail spend. The computation is 3.33% of the amount charged for each eligible purchase made on the card. For example, if we spend 5,000 Philippine coins, and that would be 5,000 into 3.33%, which is equals to 167 points. How you guys can earn it? So you will earn more points at the rate of 3 points for every P30 spend made at the departmental stores and shopping boutiques defined as clothing, shoes, accessories stores or similar stores in the Philippines or overseas, whether in store or online purchasing made at a department store or shopping boutiques are defined by the merchant credit card acquired under the following merchant of the points general category of the terms and conditions. So in general rules of redemption, provided that your card account is in good standing as determined by bank and your card account has sufficient points, you are entitled to redeem any one or more of the reward based on the required amount of points via the redemption channel that bank is identified. Once the redemption has been processed, the request cannot be revoked or cancelled, and the points cannot be transferred back into your credit account. For the redemption of the annual membership waivers, cash credits, FFP miles, and LP points, you may visit the Union Bank online site at www.unionbankps.com. All transactions related to the redemptions of the points, miles, and rebates on the Union Bank online are the subject to the Union Bank rewards program terms and conditions. So what things you guys can pay with the points? So many of you might be thinking that bank may from time to time send you an SMS that will allow you to redeem your points to offset the full or partial amount of your retail spend on the merchant. You may refer to the link in the pay with the points SMS you receive from the number of the points you require to redeem and offset a portion or the entire amount of the corresponding transaction you have made. Once the redemption has been processed, the request cannot be revoked. If the redemption is successful, you will see the credit adjustment on your next statement of the account that is correspondent to the amount of the point you will have redeemed. So this is the review for the Union Bank rewards. I hope you find this video helpful.